Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is Umuahia in 2026. This is around the Umuafai junction, like not far from Umuafai junction and Opet, and I'm heading towards Ikot junction. So this is the Ikot road, and it's also very close to the Latinos, and also that the junction that will lead you to BCA road is also along this road. But we're not going to go to the BCA road. We're just going to go down to Ikot junction. We're going to be passing the High Court, as the judiciary, and the fence of the Federal Medical Center. And also this fence you're seeing here is also Ibeku High School. Well, it has a beautiful fence, and just like the gates, the color they chose is nice. And then you can see this road is always busy. It's a busy road because a lot of people use this road when they are going to Akwa Ibom, and for the people also that live towards this area, you understand, towards the area, this road, if you're going to Ikuano, now still this road, and some other places even in Umuahia here. So guys, if it's the first time you're tuning into my channel, you're highly welcome. As you can see, the Federal Medical Center fence is now looking better than what it was looking like before. It's better now. The artwork, the paintings makes it look much more better. And you can see the road, this road right now, as you're seeing it, it doesn't have any like marking to to demarcate or to dualize the road into but people that drive here, sometimes they drive waiting no good, but they ought to be careful. I think it would have been safer if they dualize this road, or just do some markings that would make people know that, okay, this is your lane and that one is my lane. If you notice, this road will have a couple of bus stops here, so that you can just stay there, wait for a tricycle or taxi that is going to take you to anywhere you're going to. So this is Ikot junction, also known as Umudike junction, because this road takes you to Ikot, take the Akwa Ibom state, takes you to Umudike too, even before you understand Umudike, then in continuation Akwa Ibom state. So the paintings, the markings here, it made this place to look beautiful, you understand. It makes it look better, and we are actually waiting. I think the traffic light says red, which means stop, but now it's green, it says we should go. But over there, the bank road side, it says red, so that's why those cars you are seeing there, they are not moving. This paintings made here look so nice. Around here you can see the handrail there. That's where people with walking with their legs, you can go through that side. What is it called again? Opolam Nuche. When I remember, I'll tell you guys. So there's a bus stop there too. We just passed the gate of the Federal Medical Center, and very soon we'll get to Abia State Specialist Hospital. So these two hospitals are very close to each other: Abia State Specialist Hospital and Federal Medical Center. Hammer board on the chart, almost opposite to each other. From here, we're going to head to Aba Road, and then we'll get very close to Isii-Court. So if you want to see how all these areas look like in 2026, you can watch the video down to the end. If you also have an opinion about what you're seeing in Umuahia, you can tell me in the comment section.